Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the OneAZ Mobile Banking app works. The app is designed to give members of OneAZ Credit Union access to a wide range of financial services directly from their mobile device. It focuses on convenience, allowing users to handle most day-to-day banking activities, such as checking balances, transferring funds, and depositing checks without visiting a branch. The app features a clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard where users can view all their OneAZ accounts in one place. To start using the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then log in using your existing online banking credentials or tap the enrollment option to register as a new user. Once logged in, users can tap on any account to view transaction history, search past activity, or check pending transactions. OneAZ Mobile Banking supports mobile check deposit, allowing users to deposit checks by simply tapping the deposit icon, taking a photo of the front and back of the check, entering the amount, and submitting it for review. Users can also make internal and external transfers by selecting the transfer option and entering the required details. For added convenience, users can set up bill pay services directly in the app, which allows them to pay utility bills or schedule recurring payments without leaving the platform. The app offers biometric login options such as fingerprint or facial recognition, enhancing security while simplifying access. It also features account alerts, card controls, and ATM and branch locator tools. A built-in secure messaging system allows users to communicate with OneAZ customer support directly through the app. Additionally, the app now supports Zelle integration for quick person-to-person payments. In terms of pros, users appreciate the clean layout and fast loading times. Many recent reviewers mentioned how smooth the mobile check deposit process is and how the app gives them full control of their finances. However, there are some cons. Several users reported issues with the biometric login feature not working consistently on certain devices. Others expressed frustration over occasional bugs during app updates that temporarily disrupted login access. Overall, the OneAZ Mobile Banking app is a solid choice for credit union members who want to manage their finances conveniently. It includes the essential features expected from a modern banking app, with a user-friendly layout and responsive design. While minor glitches have been noted, the app generally performs well and continues to receive updates that address user concerns. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.